In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email login in Lovable. We'll walk through the easiest way to enable authentication for your app using email and password. And I'll also show you where to find the same settings manually inside the dashboard. This is useful if you want users to sign up, log in securely, and be required to authenticate before they can access protected areas like a dashboard. To get started, open your project in Lovable and go to the project chat, where you can prompt the AI assistant. From there, give it a clear instruction to add authentication to your app. For example, you can ask it to add login with email and password and require users to log in before accessing the dashboard. The key here is to be specific about the experience you want, because Lovable can use that prompt to generate the core authentication flow for you. Once you submit that request, Lovable can automatically create the sign up and login pages, connect them to the built-in backend in cloud, handle the necessary state management, and protect user data with row-level security. This saves a lot of setup time, especially if you want a working authentication system without wiring everything manually. After the assistant finishes, it's a good idea to review what was created so you understand how the login flow behaves inside your app. If you prefer to configure things manually or just want to double-check the settings, go to the Cloud tab in your project dashboard. Then open Users, followed by Auth Settings, and look for the email section. Here, you can check whether email authentication is enabled and toggle the available options as needed. This is helpful if you want direct control over how email-based login is handled. You can also manage user accounts from the Cloud tab under Users. In this area, you'll typically be able to view the signups chart, search through user records, and monitor who has registered in your app. If needed, you can manually add users either by assigning direct passwords or by sending email invitations, depending on the workflow you want to support. You may also be able to review which login methods each user is using, which is useful when you're testing or managing access. As a final tip, after setting everything up, test the full flow yourself. Try creating an account, signing out, and logging back in to confirm that protected pages really require authentication. That way, you can make sure the user experience is smooth and that access control is working the way you expect. And that's how to add email login in Lovable.